My name is Dr. Pamela Rivers, and I want to speak to those of you who are educators, educators of adults, those of you who facilitate the learning of adults. I want to talk to you for just a minute. Regardless of your venue, whether you are facilitating that learning in the workplace or whether you are facilitating it traditionally in higher education, how are you feeling, particularly as we enter this new semester? How are you feeling about your role? Are you feeling empowered? Particularly if you are a progressive educator, how are you feeling in this role? What we know is that we have now what we're calling the pandemic generation entering higher education. We have adults who have lost learning. We're calling it learning loss due to the pandemic. That generation is with us right now. And I know that many educators are feeling a bit uh, feathers are ruffled. You're feeling a bit of anxiety. You're feeling less than empowered because you're working with adults who struggle academically. And so we know this has been a reality for years, but now most certainly it is a reality because we have this post pandemic generation with us. I want to offer you something because I want to encourage you. I'm an educator. I always have been all of my life. And I know what that feeling is to want to reach, to want to engage. And yet, adults are struggling. They have so much of life on their plates that sometimes it's difficult to focus. Sometimes we feel, as educators, we feel that we're not up to the job anymore because so much has changed in the world. I want to encourage you. I want you to feel empowered because what you are bringing to the table of teaching and learning, no one else can bring it. No one else can bring it. I want to speak with you and I want to ask you if you would please just engage with me for a minute. I have a complimentary ebook for you. It's based on a faculty manual that I published some years ago. It's called Capture My Heart, Educate My Soul. This is a little ebook, which is a summary of what I want to offer you in general. And that is a way to strategize, a way to empower, to encourage yourself so that you can then encourage and empower adults. Because if you impact just one adult positively, you're impacting, of course, a family, and then you're impacting communities. And so it's much more than just that one individual in front of you. There's a link below. I want you to receive this. It is my gift to you, one educator to another. I want you to receive it. It is called the ebook, Capture My Heart, Educate My Soul. Please do download it.